Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are going to see a summer makeup look which is sweat proof and which is going to be oil free. So this is a minimal makeup look which you can use it on a daily basis during the summer season. So let us get started. So the first step is moisturizer. So you need to keep your skin really hydrated during the summer season. So you need to use the best moisturizer for it, especially when you're going out. So for me, it's an oily skin, so I'll be using a moisturizer which doesn't make my skin look oily. And for that, I'm going to be using the Neutriderm moisturizer. This is a really good moisturizer for all skin types. So I use it most of the times for my makeup, and this is really good. So today I'll be using this. The next step is sunscreen. So sunscreen is like really very important during this summer, and having a SPF 50 plus sunscreen is a must if you're going out. So today I'm going to be using this Aqualogica sunscreen. So this is a Detan plus Dewy sunscreen which is like really good for oily skin people. So this is SPF 50 plus PA++++. So I'm taking this much quantity to apply all over my face. So this one is a really good sunscreen. It does not leave your face oily, and it makes your skin feel very light, and there is no white cast as well. So as you can see, this is not leaving your face oily, and it's so lightweight. I really don't feel like I've applied some sunscreen on my face. It's like really awesome. So next step is primer. So in order to keep your makeup for quite some time during this summer, you need to use a proper primer. And if you're oily skin, you use a matte primer, and if you're a dry skin person, you can use a dewy primer. So today I'm going to be using this Insight primer. So this is a 3-in-1 primer which is oil free. So today I'll be using this. So this is this gel based primer. So this is also very lightweight, and it keeps your skin really mattified. Next, we are going to cover the imperfections on the face. So for me, orange corrector is a must. I usually use orange corrector all the time because I have darker under eyes and pigmentation around my mouth. You can totally skip this if you do not have more pigmentation or darker under eyes. So today I'm going to be using the K-Beauty's orange corrector, which I'm really obsessed with since the time I got it. It's like really awesome. So this is the orange corrector from K-Beauty. So it's a liquid orange corrector, and it is just awesome. I'm using very little. I'll use a wet makeup sponge to set this. Next step is concealer. So for concealing, today I'm going to be using this Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer, and this is of shade Caramel. So this is a really good concealer. It covers your imperfections on your face really well. A little quantity is more than enough for this. Okay, so you can see how well it has covered the imperfections on your face. In this makeup sponge, I'll just spray some makeup fixer. So this is from NYX. It is a matte finish makeup fixer. So this will help to keep your makeup for quite some time and making it like sweat proof. So today I'm not going to be using any foundation, so I'm going to be using a setting powder to set this concealer. So this is the tinted powder from Sugar Cosmetics. So you can nicely press your face with this powder so your makeup gets settled well. Next, we'll do a little bit of eye makeup. So it's going to be very minimal. So I'm going to be using a kind of nude brown colors just to give some colors for my eyelids. So for that, I'm going to be using this Key Rose eyeshadow palette. So it has these shades. So I'm going to be using this brown shade. And next I'll use this light shade just to give some highlighting look. Next for mascara, I'm going to be using the waterproof mascara, and this is from the Maybelline Colossal. I believe everybody knows about this. Next, I'm going to do a little bit of bronzing just to give a lift for my face. So for that, I'm going to be using this My Glam Pose HD Bronzer Duo. So this has kind of 2 shades of bronzer in this. So this is a really good one. So I'm going to use a bronzer brush. I'll just take both the shades. So next I'm going to apply a little bit of blush. So this blush is from Faces Canada and this is of shade Berry Blush. And this is the shade. So it's a very, subtle shade. It will look really good, like giving you a no makeup look. Next for lipstick, I'm going to be using this Lakme Forever Matte Lipstick, and this is of shade Nude Blue. So this one gives you a nice matte finish. On top of this, I'm going to be using a lip gloss, and this is from Blur, and this is of shade Chocolate Brown. And to set all this makeup, I'm going to be using the setting spray again. So using a setting spray will keep your makeup for a longer time, and it will also keep your makeup sweat proof and oil proof. So using a setting spray before and after will really be helpful during the summer season. So this is the completed makeup look. So this is the completed makeup look. As I said, this is a summer minimal makeup look which is sweat proof and which is oil free. I have already used this makeup look a lot of times and it has really worked out well. It lasts for at least 4 to 5 hours for me. I have mentioned all the details of the products which I have mentioned in the description box. You can go ahead and check that. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.